Hey, welcome back viewers. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can connect your cardboard based VR in your PC with perfect head tracking. So let's start. First of all, you need to download the Trinus VR server for your desktop and install it, and the Trinus VR app for your Android device. Both the links are provided in the description. Now open the Trinus VR server in your desktop and the Trinus VR app in your Android device. Now connect your phone with your desktop using the USB cable. Then you need to turn on the USB tethering in your Android device and make sure your internet connection is turned off. Now the Trinus VR server in your desktop will detect a USB connectivity. So now to turn on the VR mode, we have to click on this triangular button in your desktop as well as in your Android device. So guys, the VR is turned on and now you can use your Android device as a VR headset in your desktop. So viewers, now let's see how the head motion tracking is working. So the head motion tracking is working absolutely fine. Hope you like the video, and if you really do, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching.